Wondering if your car battery is reaching the end of its life? Before it leaves you stranded, there are a few warning signs you should never ignore. In this video, we'll walk you through the most common symptoms of a failing car battery and help you know when it's time for a replacement. Let's jump right in. Warning sign 1, engine starts slowly. One of the first signs of a weak battery is a slow engine crank when you try to start your vehicle. Instead of firing up quickly, the engine may turn over sluggishly because the battery doesn't have enough power. You may hear the starter struggle or notice it takes longer than normal for the engine to start. If this continues, it can put extra stress on the starter motor and other components, leading to more expensive repairs if the battery isn't replaced. Warning sign 2, weak or dim lights. Another common symptom is headlights or interior lights that appear dimmer than normal, especially while starting the engine or using multiple electrical accessories. This usually happens because the battery can no longer supply enough power to keep everything operating at full brightness. If the lights remain dim even after the engine is running, it's a strong indication that the battery isn't holding a proper charge. Warning sign 3, electrical accessories acting up. You may also notice that electrical features such as the power windows move more slowly than usual or the radio and other electronics don't work as they should. These problems often occur because the battery isn't delivering enough power to support your vehicle's electrical systems. As the battery weakens, it becomes harder to meet the electrical demand, causing accessories to perform poorly. Warning sign 4, battery has reached its lifespan. Finally, consider the age of your battery. If it's between 3 and 5 years old and you've started noticing any of these warning signs, it's probably time for a replacement. Most car batteries have a service life of around 3 to 5 years, so combining age with symptoms like slow cranking or dim lights is a good reason to have the battery tested or replaced. Your car battery is essential for starting the engine and powering your vehicle's electrical systems. Once it begins to fail, you'll often notice warning signs like slow starts, dim lights, or electrical issues. Replacing a weak battery before it completely dies can save you from unexpected breakdowns and help protect other important components. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple automotive tips and DIY repair guides. If you're experiencing another car problem, leave a comment below, and we may cover it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.